Kasama niyo sa pananghalian. Hatid ay makabuluhang impormasyon at talakayan. Handog ang serbisyo publiko sa buong Ilocania at Rehiyon 1. Ito ang usapang Edukaaksyon Kenda Dumapay mula sa DWAT 93.9 at Schools Division of Lawag. Narito ang inyong makakasama sa pananghalian. Cherry Joy Diskaya Garma, ang inyong Lady Anchor at Information Officer. Kasama ang iba't ibang personalidad at ang Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Joan A. Corpuz. Haligi ng edukasyong matatag, bansang makabata, batang makabansa. Usapang Edukaaksyon Kenda Dumapay.
customers to conduct at a person involving the repeated visual or physical proximity, non-consensual communication, or a combination thereof that cause or will likely cause a person to fear for one's own safety or the safety of others or to suffer emotional distress. Mama, mo tayo dito yung definition, di stalking, di pinangisorsorot mo, ka di tao, or di no say papanan na, kita-kitam suna, or kanayin mo, abangan, di stalking. Well, amo tayo amin dito nga definition sen. So, bali, next tayo ma'am is, dito sen na ba't yung senat pakapaspasamakan na ka dito yung harassment. So,
when attorney.
section-
Common usual places.
yes, ma'am. Section 4 na ma'am get gender-based streets and public spaces sexual harassment. So, DJ ngayon ma'am, dito yung law, talagang public spaces ma'am tiyan na, including restaurants, cafes, bars and clubs, resorts, or any other privately owned places open to the public. So meaning ma'am, oray private place mo suna, ngayon open mo suna to the public like for business or for entertainment, covered lata suna iti Safe Spaces Acts. So di yung establishments ma'am are obliged to provide assistance to victims of gender-based sexual harassment by coordinating with local police authorities immediately after gender-based sexual harassment is reported, making CCTV footage available when ordered by the court, and providing a safe, gender-sensitive environment to encourage victims to report gender-based sexual harassment at the first instance. So, dito yung ma'am, ka na pa iti duties, dito yung establishments nga makitinulong, makikino-operate ti police, can mag-provide ti CCTV. Kasi most likely, ma'am, ako sa kumano bars, anmet nga amin at makita di waiters or masipsiputan. Siyempre, the CCTV tayo dyan for the safety of our customers. So, kailangan nga, no, in required the court nga, i-produce the DJ, kailangan daw, can, dito ma'am, get some bars nga min, get,
ayaw nila
yes,
attorney
ma'am.
before, very strict
Yes,
sila
ma'am.
na ayaw magbigay.
Ayaw nilang magbigay o ayaw makikooperate. So, mandated dan, ma'am, lalo no kasi nga circumstances nga mangted titulong ken CCTV footages.
Attorney.
Next naman ma'am is gender-based sexual harassment in public utility vehicles. Dito mo kati jeeps,
Jeepney,
buses,
tricycle,
yes, ma'am.
bus.
Makitinulong met ti LTO ma'am ken LTFRB kadigito yung instances lalo no tay perpetrator ket tay driver ken tay victim ket tay passenger mabalin nga nakat nga to pa iti penalties na ma'am ken bahalan tot LTO ken LTFRB nga mang file ti administrative case regarding their license and franchise nila sa bus nila ma'am.
Pero iba pa rin yung criminal.
Iba pa yung criminal ma'am. Makitinulong lang dito yung ma'am agarami that separate investigation or makitinulong the investigation regarding the case. Next naman is gender-based sexual harassment in streets and public spaces committed by minors. Dito yung ma'am, DSWD yung makitinulong kanya ma'am. Kasi dati Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act tayo nga iso dati mang-implement ka dito ikan mangkita ka di safety di minor kasi uri nag-commit suna minor lata suna ma'am so under the law protected lata suna ngem ada separate nga law nga mang-punish kanya na ambit nga mang-punish ngem mang-ayos ka di nga characters na ay characteristic na ma-mold suna as better adult to in the future. So dito yung ma'am timang implement talaga dito yung law ket di PNP. Lalo ti Women and Children's Protection Desk. They have the authority to prevent the perpetrators and enforce the law ma'am. So dito tayo exciting part ma'am di yan ti prohibited acts.
Oo, nadagiti attorney baka no ti amo tayo kat okay hindi pala
Yes, ma'am,
okay
yes, ma'am.
attorney.
Dati ngamin ma'am di yan pay na dito yung look at hantay pay unay nga kasi ako madigito yung terms ito yung ma'am ket medyo baro ngamin digito terms yan ma'am. So i-explain tayo one by one ma'am no digito. First act is the cursing ma'am, di pagmumura. Siyempre form of harassment di lalo no
Curse mo direct sa isang
Yes,
tao
ma'am, yes,
attorney.
Next prohibited act ma'am is wolf whistling. Dito iti pagsagawisi
Sa
ma'am.
gawisi.
Yes,
Wow,
ma'am.
sexy kung nadanong
Di
attorney. Parang
di
ganun.
wolf whistling ma'am, di ano lang. Dito sumaron ma'am ket catcalling, di anan. Ay
Ada,
sexy,
sexy
di
ko
kada
na. Okay.
anan. No naman ti pang kantsaw or pang anakin na lalo no sexually motivated kadyo ko so di catcalling. Next ma'am ket the leering and intrusive gazing. Dito ma'am ket pinagkita ko si tao ket in local terms ket kaslalang malablabusan
Ada
din.
kaya't nasa
Pinangkitan,
Pero
ma'am.
possible ba na ma-prove yan, attorney?
Di ma'am,
Talaga kas Jamie, di pa nagkita.
DJ ma'am, madanto exceptions na siguro no, talaga problems not site game. Most likely like makita met no kasano pinagkita na kanyang ket amumet no aday bagbagana DJ pinagkita na ma'am. Intrusive pa ma'am nga ti talaga titighan na ti pakapyaw lang. So next ma'am is taunting, pursing and unwanted invitations. Kung madigisi ayaban na ka ma'am nga amumet amamong ayaban na ka or what prohibited akso na. So dito next get misogynistic, transphobic, homophobic and sexist slurs. Dito ma'am directed dito ma'am kadigisi LGBTQ digisi slurs nga amo tayo met dito ma'am ngem narigat lang ibaga ken talaga nga bawal talaga. Dati mabalin pa dati sa common lang so nga awagan
Kasi expression ko na
ma'am.
di attorney ngem hindi na ngayon.
Yun ma'am kasi
Oo, na ngayon.
daduma kami lalo no hamo friends. Kang kay friend. Yun ma'am ma-offend no hamo mo tapos binagam so na sexist slur. Dati okay lang lalo no friends kayo tatawang medyo sensitive tayo kadigiri dapatin kasi damit rights na talaga.
Oo, attorney.
Next ma'am is persistent unwanted comments on one's appearance. Ituloy-tuloy ko man ma'am. Dito relentless requests for one's personal details such as name, contact, and social media details or destination. Dito the persistent telling of sexual jokes. Dito ngamin ma'am, kailangan natin repetition lang. Dapat
Memorization.
persistent so na. So multiple times. So may advice comment ka kasi tattao nga dapat dedicate persistent. So no once nga baga na kanyang DJ nga joken or nag-request mo na name or phone number at the first instance mabali mo so na i-deny ma'am nga oops medyo hangko kayat dito pinagsasaumon or
Caution mo na.
yes ma'am kasi first of all dapat datay ti mo na nga mang-implement di right tayo hanga pulis hanga sino man. Kasi right tayo DJ, datay makamo no na step na violate DJ nga right, datay ti mo na nga makamo. So sa kumay dinamag na ti name mo or nagamo in a nice way met lalo no in a nice way. Ket i-deny tayo sunan no hantay kayat, di ba? Parang
In a nice way.
yes
din
ma'am,
po.
kasi polite met so na nagdamag or kasi ako may sexual jokes ket nag-joke kayo talaga, joke time. Tapos ket medyo nag-step lang so na di boundary nga medyo sexual di joken. Mabalin mo so na stopin nga, uy, sobra naman detan, sobra met detan. Lalo ket persistent dapat, medyo
Ulitin nang
joke,
tumanin.
sexual joke after sexual joke, and mabalin mo ibaga, to, no persistent lang to sunay, so di mo mabalin so na, prohibited act so na ma'am. MT, advice talaga, nag-step yung boundaries mo, or nang violate G right mo, hanlakit di umabot ti nakarupay or conflict or physical altercation mabalin mo so nga i-caution nga bagam di right mo right ko detoy anak mo ba yung baga anti kasta or right ko i-deny ti request mo nga alain ti number ko kasi ma'am. Next mo ma'am is the use of sexual names, comments, and demands. Dito ma'am awan persistent na no imbaganan nga once mabalinan ma'am. And any statement that has made an invasion on person's personal space or threatens the person's sense of personal safety. Kaya nga i-safe spaces ma'am kasi di safety na feeling na safe zone na kasi nga public place. So di i-protect na dito yung law. So the second degree ma'am ket medyo nadagdag sa labasit. For acts such as making offensive body gestures at someone and exposing private parts for the sexual gratification of the perpetrator with the effect of demeaning, harassing, threatening, or intimidating the offended party, including flashing of private parts. Ma'am, ito yung part kita, the exceptions tayo. Kasi ako di tribal wear tayo, di bahag. Siyempre, di tribal wear, sometimes expose si private parts da, or even topless di girls, makita yung private parts da. Di ket exception, ma'am, no legitimate lakid, di nga na tribal wear da, legitimate nga tribe member da, or freedom of expression, can especially tradition na di ma'am. Amin nga laws tayo ket respect the tradition ti tao, lalo di kita tribes nga active pa lang agbadbado ti kadjay, so hantay mabalin nga usa rin dito yung law para ma-persecute or ma-prosecute da. May sa pang exception, ma'am, ket breastfeeding.
Okay, well.
Siyempre, ma'am, awatable met nga sa kuma public face.
Breastfeed,
Yes, ma'am, no hamoy war ken nga makita di baby, siyempre common din ma'am nga makikita tayo nga irregularize tayo kasi talaga met nga awan met mali siya na di ma'am kasi talaga nga need di baby DJ no antay met amo no kaano nga mabisin ni baby or kaano nga kayat na taggata, so dapat hanso na nga ma-penalize nga inobra DJ kasi normal
natural
lang.
kasi
Yes,
yun,
ma'am, natural lang DJ. Next, ma'am, is dito yan. Hanga natural talagan. Dito yung public masturbation. Talaga nga, awan mo, medyo dasakit na dito yan eh.
Mabalin kad nga rason no ka DJ attorney no.
Yeah.
Sakit mo. Sakit na kumaisot usually kas da iti mabasbasak or mangmangay ko nga
Yun, ma'am.
reason da.
Madi, ma'am, kasi dito ket malum prohibitum pa yung ket di, ma'am. Di intent na ket immaterial, ma'am, or anat intention na, or bawal na bawal, ma'am. Dito, i-excuse mo, ngem. Adan to siguro leeways na, ngem, masabol day prove nga talaga nga,
Ada sakit na
defect
attorney,
da, or
oo.
mental, na. Next, ma'am, is groping and similar lewd sexual actions. So, dito yung, ma'am, dito third degree nga, siyempre, dito nakaro talaga, ma'am. Stalking, ma'am, talaga iiwasan tayo lalo kit or online stalking at bawal pa yan. Stalking, isusuro tayo yung tao, tapos mama mo kita-kitain no, babangam no, or orasam no, sinatyan na, kadakwa. Bawal talaga dito yun, ma'am. Tapos dito any of the acts mentioned in, di mo na nga na-mention to yung first degree, second degree, but when accompanied by touching, pinching, or brushing. No, the physical nan, ma'am, nakarkaroti, penalties na, ma'am. So, umabot so na first offense ket 11 to 30 days or a fine of 30,000 pesos, which includes a gender sensitivity seminar. Second offense is 1 month and 1 day to 6 months or a fine of 50,000 pesos. Third offense shall be arresto mayor in its maximum period or a fine of 100,000 pesos. So, medyo dakkel talaga, ma'am, kasi grave dito yung ma'am. Yung muna tatay, ma'am, medyo lighter lang yun. So, DJ, ma'am, next target, the gender-based online sexual harassment. Yung mas mayat talaga no, i-hand in hand mo dito yung anti-cybercrime law. Adala salient features na ito yung makita ko, ma'am, dito yung prohibited act nga incessant messaging. Dito, ma'am, just like the persistent na magim ginagan di tao or dito yung incessant messaging. Ket same it lang advice nga no, ag message tapos ibaga may block mo or mabali mo Brian di siya bahalan to ti anti-cybercrime nga discuss to dito yan in relation to this. Kasi may talaga kasi online talaga dito yun, ma'am. Dito yung unauthorized recording or sharing of victims' videos, photos, cybercrime to, ma'am.
Okay, mabalin nga sa balin to nga.
Yes, ma'am.
Nga Dayan attorney.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Next tayo.
Kasi maluwang, ano yan, bro,
Yun, ma'am,
maraming ano yan.
can connected
attorney,
so the amin, ma'am.
connected.
Lalo no online din. Ado ti sanga-sanga na dito, ma'am. Like videos, photos, posts, di messages, di ito ti topics dan, ma'am. Napintas nga i-correlate to ton cybercrime ti topic tayo. Dito met, ma'am, qualified gender-based streets, public spaces, and online sexual harassment. Dito, ma'am, a degree higher ti penalty na nuwa. If the act takes place in a common carrier or PUV, the jeep, ma'am, taxis, tricycle, when the perpetrator is the driver of the vehicle and the offended party is the passenger, a degree higher no kati penalty
Kuwan
na ma'am.
attorney kasi under
Yes ma'am, kasi common carrier so na dapat ti akin
protection.
when the safety
o
na
safety.
so na ti cargo na dizay yung violate na met. So a degree higher so na ma'am. Next is if a offended party is a minor, a senior citizen, or a person with disability, or a breastfeeding mother nursing her child. Next is if the offended party is diagnosed with a mental problem tending to impair consent. Mga min ma'am ti pay palusot tayo. Palusot da nga perpetrators ket na met kinayat na met nag-consent met. Inigamak di ima na nag-consent met kasi kaso may proof pinatpitan na met di imak kasi ma'am him not knowing mentally gayam ada mental problem di tao ket kinuyog na kalatan or inayabam kinuyog na kamitlatan hamo mabalin nga ibaga nga i-exempted na kasi nag-consent met
Consent.
jobing or kinayat na met lalo no amo met nga ada mental problem na yem dito ma'am ket hanga gaputa ada mental problem nang ket exempted din dapat mental problem tending to impair consent hanga maka-consent
Hanya
ma'am.
maka-consent.
Yes ma'am, no or man ada mental problem na.
Hanapulos makuha no.
Yes, ma'am.
Either no or yes.
Yes ma'am, ana ma-distinguish nga madigayam or mayat jobo Brian na kasi ada mental problems nga kaya tayo met pa nga i-distinguish nga maka-consent tayo met lata amo tayo mapasamak nagwen tayo dito yung ma'am ket dapat ket ada mental problem na ket hanga maka hanamo to Brian na ma'am. Next ma'am is if the perpetrator is a member of the uniformed service such as PNP and the Armed Forces of the Philippines while the perpetrator was in uniform. Dapat ada qualifications na dyan. If the act takes place in the premises of a government agency offering frontline services to the public and the perpetrator is a government employee. So nauso kami dito ma'am di pandemic the frontline offices.
Okay.
Now ma'am dito yung next nga topic taket dito yung duties of employers kasi na-implement so na kadito yung law ken very so na kasi the Sexual Harassment Act awan kasto yung nga duties to employers ma'am.
Okay. So dagita ko attorney dati pinaka main nga new.
When ma'am may isang nga new dito kasi dito get i-mandate na iti employers nga disseminate or post in conspicuous place a copy of this act to all persons in the workplace. Kaya nag-provide so na pa iti seminars tapno no aware di tao di empleyado na kadito yung act tapos dapat agaramid pa so na ti committee nga mang-investigate kadigito yung no dinay pulong nga acts masapol dati committee nga ada sursurutin nga process on how they will treat these incidents.
Parang grievance committee ba?
Yes
yan,
ma'am,
attorney?
garamit so na dyan. Depende no kaso na ti policies na di yung dapat ada ka dyan. Ken ada liabilities na ma'am no ang hanay inobra dyan ang act. Ginan implementation of the duties section 17 jimbak ada penalty na ma'am ken ti sumaro no nga penalize da not taking action on reported acts of gender-based sexual harassment committed in the workplace. Now, wanti inobram, da nagipulong yung wanti inobram, penalize
May
ka.
violation ka na doon, attorney.
Yes, ma'am. Ano naman penalty na get 5,000 to 15,000. Tas, mandated, ada mabalin met ti dole inspect kadigi private sector or civil service commission ti public sector no implemented met lang no da naka-post nga about kadito yung sexual dito Safe Spaces Act or adamit la seminars da so that mang regulate or agin inspect kadito ma'am. Next met ma'am ket duties of school heads bali same damit lang no isisipem ket disseminate the copy of this act, provide measures to prevent gender-based sexual harassment in educational institutions like information campaigns kasi seminars met lang kaya nagaramid met lang iti committee ma'am nga mag-investigate kan mag-address kadto nga complaints.
Attorney, with this Safe Spaces Act, ano nga dagiti mabalintay nga i-remind or i-advise kadagiti students can employees inside the school?
DJ ma'am,
Ano digiti possible nga maging violation da or no ada kas nga makikita or ma-experience dakit ano ti mo na nga obranda.
DJ ma'am, amo tayo medyo prohibited accent. Dapat ada ko man nakapaskil nga can may explain kadi nga acts no kasano da mapaspasamak kasi some of these acts ket dati ket okay lang di ba? Normal lang dati kami hindi kita sagsagawisiw ka ada lumabas okay lang di yung acts dati dapat putulin tayo habang ada tuy da lang school kasi most likely di yung acts ket maarami ti public places. So dito yung school ket public place isot number one nga public place nga papananda kasi Monday to Friday, ada to'y da public place kan ako medyo balay. So ito'y dapat talaga ti paka nurturean na dito paka implementan na may kandati caution nga madidikito yung acts. So like digito ko istorya ka ta ma'am di college. No tambay kayo di hallway tapos kita dumaan nga babae. Siyot ka ang friends mo. Sino ti makakita kanya ket teachers met lang amet amot parents mo deta amet amo ti family ti lang talaga kanya yung makatinggar or makabagbaga ket school officials. So dapat ma'am lalo di anak ko no free time da no kaya met ti may explain ko maamin di gitoy kanya da lalo ket di babae nga tamo da ket okay lang may gaman ti ima na or okay lang nga map-approsan kadzay. Siyempre bawal di ma'am kailangan nga ibagam ka di nga no da mapasama ka kadzay masabol nga ipulong ken i-open up mo ken teacher sa kumano dati recollection dapat may open up amin di gitsay kasi eventually it will lead to much more dangerous sometimes kadzay mo first time kay holding hands pa lang tapos second time kay sa Balinton not knowing bawal gayam DJ although nag-consent ka minor ka lalo sa school minor ka amo pa yung amo di kasi pars. So dapat open the teacher and students ka dito ma'am. Kasi amit lang ang students mabuling pa teachers maharas damit possible da nga maharas. So dapat ag information campaigns tayo para mabawasan din. Yes ma'am.
Sabi niyo kanina attorney, pwede rin for example a student
Yes ma'am, baliktad.
sa teacher.
Student na hinaras na teacher, mabalin ma'am.
Mabalinin.
Kasi ito yung ma'am kay awan moral ascendancy nan. Oray teacher ka, mabalin ka iharas talaga. Agpeso met ma'am. Kasi di lalo no pero de los buenos awan respeto na student or mabalin so na makasuhan ka dito yun ma'am. Safe Spaces Act. Kasi timin dati ket ireklamo na teacher ka Siyempre dapat iungtam da student mo imahaanin ma'am. Kasi nasirip da DJ nga mababusan met talaga pati teachers or higher nangat nga to ba city level na kumalalo school. Nangat nga to or teacher inabuso man ti or let's say example dean kadzay or teacher can teacher covered amin dito yun ma'am. So mabalin kaya reklamo. First of all, no awan inubrati school the liability na din ang implementation or failure to act mabalin so na liable di school tapos DepEd test da ken ched met ti ti mang routine inspection kanya da.
Okay, so attorney, actually attorney ket napindas ko maped ito nga topic pa nga mga attorney we have limited time na po
Yes,
tayo
ma'am.
ngayon.
Yes, ma'am.
Pero attorney, any more last important information about your this Safe Spaces Act po na dapat malaman ng ating mga viewers
Yes
po
ma'am.
today?
DJ di ba ako mga prohibited acts. DJ nga naarami dito yung law para ken DJ ma-violate, ma-harass. Dati as we said, kailangan ko ulitin, dati some of these acts are okay. Catcalling, wolf whistling, naglaka nga sometimes naglaka nga pa ipalusot nga, nagsagawi siya wakpet lang kasi di lumabas ka. So first of all ma'am, talaga nga, amo tayo ti right tayo, kabo ka dito baka tayo the rights tayo, prohibited acts. Amo tayo ti right tayo, so dapat umuna tayo, datay mismo, nga na-violate ti Agri-Act nga muna i-confront tayo DJ no hanlakid di nga malid ti altercation or kabil or dapat amo tayo ti i-remind tayo suda party duties tayo di say nga the right na nga i-remind di sa bali nga tao nga oops di boundaries tayo nga hanggang ito lang di boundaries, hanggang ito lang mabalin ti jokes, hanggang ito lang ti lokohan, lalo di school medyo ubing na loko-lokohan pa lang dapat i-remind tayo kanya na hanggang ito ka lang dito ti right ko i-violate mo ipulong ka ken teacher ngem hantay nga ibagbaga nga tayo muna ket na violate kang ket ipulong ka to disit muna kami mabuteng kay dapat i-confront mo ma'am confront mo dagos kasi among ti right mo ken prohibited di acts nga napasamak kanya confront mo dagos tapos after that into teacher like di kita makikita YouTube mo the videos da tabas ko inigaman na chinansingan na kan your uray mo belang mapan ka ti PNP or mapan ti mabalin mo suna ka DJ at that point and moment mabalin mo i-confront yes ma'am no na hanga dumakkel ken anlaki dia na grabe din na may anda kenyam DJ pa lang handa maulitan kasi kadje nag-start dito ti ana kami ti chancing touching start suna ti na ana lang sa haplo-haplos to nung get biglan to nga ay hanggayan pumalpalag DJ kami ti mindset pa ti daduma mo ay hanga pumalpalag inaygamak next time karkaro nanton so dapat amutay ti rights tayo dapat pigilan tayo at the first instance pa lang.
Okay, thank you very much, Attorney, for the information. Sayang nga, kulang yung oras natin. Thank you very much, Attorney. So, sana sa ating lahat, nagbalin nga information, eye-opener po sa ating lahat. No, kaya chupay nga maimamuan regarding Safe Spaces Act RA 11313. I believe nandyan yan sa internet. I-click nyo lang yung, lagay nyo lang yung Safe Spaces Act. Rumwar dagiti information or regarding this RA 11313. Okay. So kakabsat sakbay di sumaruno nga topiko tayo adtoy paylaeng dagiti dadto mga pamalagip.
Lahat tayo nagsisikap.
Lahat tayo nagsisipag.
Lahat tayo nais tumalino't gumaling.
Lahat tayo gustong makatulong sa pamilya at sa bayan.
Lahat tayo maaasahan.
Lahat tayo gagawa.
Lahat tayo tutulong.
Lahat tayo didiskarte at dilikha para sa ating kinabukasan.
Dahil lahat tayo ay may pangarap, may gustong abutin, may nais marating.
At kahit pa humarap sa libu-libong hamon ng buhay,
Ang tatag ng lahing Pilipino,
Mangingibabaw.
susulong.
Tayo ay magiging matatag.
Matatag na kurikulum,
Matatag na paaralan at agarang serbisyo para sa edukasyon.
matatag na programa sa mag-aaral at kabataan,
matatag na suporta para sa mga guro.
ang ating pangarap,
Maaabot.
mararating,
Basta't tulong-tulong.
magsisipag tayo
Magsisikap tayo.
para sa isang bansang makabata.
Batang makabansa.
Lahat tayo.
Lahat tayo.
Lahat tayo. Matatag ang pangarap, matatag ang kinabukasan.
Welcome to Plaridel Elementary School, where dreams take flight and futures are nurtured. Join us as we express our deepest gratitude to the dedicated educators who shape our future.
Dear teachers of Plaridel Elementary School, your strongest pillars. These are the qualities that envelop you. T. Talented. You are a total package with your multitask engagements. E. Elegant. For giving us quality education, for you are the potters and we are clay, as you shape our bright future. A. Awesome. As the designers of our intellectual and moral growth. C. Charming. Where your effect goes well beyond the walls of the school. H. Helpful. That sometimes your efforts are disregarded and underappreciated. Your light never goes out. E. Efficient. For you serve us our compass, guiding us towards learning and wisdom. R. Receptive. You consider teaching a passion rather than a job. Happy Teacher's Day, sirs and ma'am. This is Katarina Paula C. Baracao, your SELG Vice President.
Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, we're building brighter tomorrows at Plaridel Elementary School. As we conclude this special tribute, we want to once again thank our exceptional teachers for their unwavering commitment. Happy Teachers' Day, and may your impact on our lives continue to shine brightly.
Welcome back, kakabsat. Dito yung usapang Eduk Aksyon, kenda Dumapay. Time check, 12:37. Okay, sakbay iti amin. Update on the sports program of the division. The screening and validation of athletes' documents of the Luwag City Inter-School Tournament is now going on from September 28 to 29, 2023. The members of the new set of Division Screening and Accreditation Committee are Mr. Arnel Sabuco, Principal of Gabo National High School, the Chairperson, Mr. Ruel Kilala, AO and Legal Designate, Co-Chairperson. Members, we have Ferdinand Infante, the School Head of Cavite Araniw, and Mr. Joseph Salvador, Head Teacher 3 of Gabo National High School. The Luwag City Inter-School Sports Tournament is set to start on October 7, 2023. Every weekend po ito and holiday. For the timeline of the said sports tournament, we have the layout of Northwestern University Track Oval on September 30. Bukas po yan. September 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. And orientation of coaches and technical officials, October 3, 3:30 p.m. at Lawag Central School. For queries, you may contact Mr. Arsenio Cabakungan, Education Program Supervisor ng SGOD and Division Sports Officer. And again, from the LR and supply units, for this week, the division is set to complete the distribution of the following to the different schools. 1,245 copies of Supplementary Learning Resources or SLR, 297 copies of guidebooks, Ilocano orthography, okay, and 80 units of 3-in-1 computer printer, 540 pieces of computer printer inks, and of course, 2,930 reams of bond papers po. Okay, so kakabsat, iti dayto nga gundaway, intayo makasarsarita, dagiti ubing, or dagiti Division Federated Supreme Secondary Learner Government Officers of school year 2023-2024. And isuda pa iti may kadagiti nakisalip iti LearnCon 2023 or the Learners Convergence. National convergence pa ito ng ating mga SSLG officers nationwide. So, adadtoy kakabsat ni Miss Rylene Ragasa from Gabo National High School, SSLG President and Division Federated SSLG Vice President. Oh, good afternoon, Rylene.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. And of course, we have also Landerwin Ragadi, or we call her Sid. Okay. So, si Sid, SMIS, San Mateo Integrated School, SSLG President, and of course, Secretary ng DFSSLG. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. So, sila po yung mga SELG. Before we go sa about the LearnCon, kumusta ang inyong SSLG sa Gabo National High School?
Ma'am, SSLG in Gawin National High School are still in hand to bring the jewel of the North of Gawin National High School.
O, sabi mo kanina, medyo meron na kayong action plan. Ano yung pinaka-highlights ng yung mga action plans?
Maybe the one that I am proud of sa action plan po namin is yung inclusivity box ng Gawin National High School, ma'am. Kasi as a president of Gabon National High School, ma'am, gusto ko ding malaman kung ano yung saloobin ng mga bawat estudyante sa pagbibigay ng mas ikakaganda po ng eskwela namin.
So, parang suggestion box ba to?
Yes,
o yung
ma'am,
verbal
suggestion.
kumusta?
Yes, ma'am,
Okay,
suggestion
very good.
box.
So, how about sa SMIS, sa San Mateo Sid? Kumusta naman ang SSLG?
Okay lang naman, ma'am. Ayun, yun pa rin, ma'am. Maganda naman din yung mga, mga activities na nagagawa namin, ganun ma'am.
Ano yung bago ngayon or yung pinaka magandang plan nyo for this school year?
Siguro ma'am is yung mga ano.
How about the Teachers Day ninyo? May plano ba kayo?
Yes ma'am, meron po.
Okay, oo. So, regarding sa LearnCon, di ba pumunta tayo sa LearnCon sa Marikina City. We meet with all the other SSLG officers nationwide. So kayo, si Rylene, you were under learner rights protection.
Yes,
Oo.
ma'am.
Ano naman ang inyong mga experiences or mga lessons na nakuha mo with this LRPO noon?
Ma'am, sa LRPO, pinaalala sa amin kung ano yung karapatan namin bilang estudyante sa loob ng paaralan. Ang LRPO Central Division, ma'am, ina-advocacy po nila ang inclusivity and sensitivity sa isang classroom, ma'am. So, that's one of my takeaways sa LearnCon, ma'am.
So, anong plano mong gawin ngayon sa eskwelahan mo at saka sa division?
Ma'am, income sa school po namin, isa na po yun yung sinabi kong kanina na inclusivity box, yung suggestion box po namin, para naman marinig lahat ng suggestions or hinain ng mga estudyante. Income naman po sa school division po namin, nais ko pong magkaroon kami ng mga seminars or something that we can
Learn more.
yes, ma'am, para sa kung ano po talaga yung kinasasabi ng LRPO sa amin.
Okay. So, how about you? Ikaw naman ang sumali ka dun sa health program.
Yes
So,
ma'am.
will you tell us something, anak? Ano yung mga pinag-usapan nyo doon?
It's all about ano lang ma'am, ang mga dietary plans, ganon. How can we protect ourselves from diseases, ganon ma'am.
So, ano kaya yung pwede nating project, anak ko, in terms of health?
Siguro ma'am, ang masasuggest ko is feeding program ma'am.
Okay. Meron na tayong feeding program, pero sa school nyo, baka gusto nyong may iba pang feeding program? Is that what you mean?
Parang ganon ma'am.
Okay. So, doon sa LearnCon, excluding sa mga lessons, sa mga lectures, ano pang nagbigay enjoyment sa inyo?
Siguro po sa isang nagbigay sa akin ng enjoyment was meeting new friends and meeting new different races, ma'am. Kasi we're separated with different races or flags, ma'am.
From the
And-
nationwide kasi ito.
Yes,
Oo.
ma'am. So, parang naramdaman ko yung pagkakaisa namin na ng mga learners para may pakita talaga kung ano yung pakakatunguhan ng isang estudyante lang para sa national development ng Pilipinas.
How about ikaw? Ikaw ang isa sa mga trainer. Kayo ang nanalo sa presentation or hindi naman nanalo pero maganda yung presentation niya. So, what can you say about that?
Okay lang naman ma'am, masaya din po kasi nagawa din namin ma'am ng maayos and walang kahasel-hasel.
Kasi kakabsat, per region merong presentation, cultural presentation. Actually, kahit walang winner, pero ang Region 1, ang pinaka the best na presentation, of course, and proud to say na ang mga naging leaders po nila, itong mga students natin from the Division Office of Lawag. And of course, our kasama natin noon si Mr. Glenn J. Lagat, ang teacher advisor. Okay. So, ano pa ang gusto niyong message nyo sa inyong mga teacher ngayon? Teachers Month. Message ninyo sa inyong mga teacher advisors, sa mga teachers.
Hi po sa mga teachers sa Gabon National High School. Happy teachers po sa inyo. Thank you po sa paggabay po sa akin at sa amin na matupad yung mga pangarap po namin. And happy Teachers Month po sa lahat.
Especially kay Sir.
Joseph and Ma'am Grace po.
Okay, and
Hi teachers from San Mateo Integrated School. I would just want to tell you that Happy Teachers Day po and thank you kasi hindi kayo nagsasawang magturo sa amin ng mga magagandang asal and of course hindi nyo din kami pinapabayaan as always.
of course, especially kay advisor, ng teacher advisor.
Ma'am Pauline Antonio po.
Okay, so kakabsat, yan po yung ating mga officers po ng Supreme Secondary Learner Government na makakasama natin this school year. Okay, so thank you very much, Raylene and Sid.
Thank
you
you,
for
ma'am.
coming. Okay, so kakabsat, di pa nagtultuloy tayo, kadagitay Supreme Secondary Learner Government, at ito'y pailaeng, dagiti dadu mga pamalagip.
Lahat tayo nagsisikap.
Lahat tayo nagsisipag.
Lahat tayo nais tumalino't gumaling.
Lahat tayo gustong makatulong sa pamilya at sa bayan.
Lahat tayo maaasahan.
Lahat tayo gagawa.
Lahat tayo tutulong.
Lahat tayo didiskarte at dilikha para sa ating kinabukasan.
Dahil lahat tayo ay may pangarap, may gustong abutin, may nais marating.
At kahit pa humarap sa libu-libong hamon ng buhay,
Ang tatag ng lahing Pilipino,
Mangingibabaw.
susulong.
Tayo ay magiging matatag.
Matatag na kurikulum,
Matatag na paaralan at agarang serbisyo para sa edukasyon.
matatag na programa sa mag-aaral at kabataan.
matatag na suporta para sa mga guro.
Ang ating pangarap,
Maaabot
mararating,
Basta't tulong-tulong.
magsisipag tayo
magsisikap tayo.
para sa isang bansang makabata.
Batang makabansa.
Lahat tayo,
Lahat tayo
lahat tayo, matatag ang pangarap, matatag ang kinabukasan.
Welcome to Plaridel Elementary School, where dreams take flight and futures are nurtured. Join us as we express our deepest gratitude to the dedicated educators who shape our future.
Dear teachers of Plaridel Elementary School, your strongest pillars. These are the qualities that envelop you. T. Talented. You are a total package with your multitask engagements. E. Elegant. For giving us quality education, for you are the potters and we are clay, as you shape our bright future. A. Awesome. As the designers of our intellectual and moral growth. C. Charming. Where your effect goes well beyond the walls of the school. H. Helpful. Now sometimes your efforts are disregarded and underappreciated. Your light never goes out. E. Efficient. For you serve us our
We want to once again thank our exceptional teachers for their unwavering commitment. Happy brightly.
Agsubsubli kakabsat, ti usapang eduk aksyon, ken dad dumapay, dito'y DWAT 93.9 Teleradyo. Okay. Sakbay ti amin, at dagiti announcement from the medical unit for the Division of Land Kalusugan sa DepEd and the Healthy Learning Institutions Framework. The Division Medical Unit will conduct a health appraisal of learners from kindergarten to grade 6 learners in all public elementary schools from October 12 to December 5. The designated school clinic coordinator shall prepare the learner's health card and secure parental consent before the scheduled activity. For inquiries and other concerns, please contact Dr. Mary Shelley M. Alimpia, Division Medical Officer. From the health unit naman, the implementation of the division school-based feeding program for school year 2023-2024 with nutritious food packs and fresh milk for the wasted and severely wasted learners of public elementary school shall run from October 2, 2003 to April 1, 2024. The requirement is to complete 120 feeding day cycle for the concerned learners. The supplier shall deliver the nutritious food packs once a week to the designated drop-off points, namely for District 1, Lawag Central School, District 2, Shamrock, District 3, Gabaldon ES. This feeding program activity is pursuant to Republic Act 11037 or Masustansyang Pagkain para sa Batang Pilipino Act signed June 20, 2018. The objective is to improve the health and well-being of the Filipino learners. For inquiries, you may contact Mrs. Maisel Abunaga, SBFP Division Focal Person. In relation to this, the Division School Health Section is conducting an orientation on the school-based feeding program, institutional guidelines for fiscal year 2023 and basic food safety today, September 29, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at Northview Hotel, Lawag City. The activity aims to present and discuss the SBFP guidelines for fiscal year 2023 and food safety protocols. Participants are SBFP school coordinators. Okay, so today Gundaway, kakabsat, we have Mr. Bernardo Constantino of Ilocos Norte National High School, the President of the SSLG or the Supreme Secondary Learner Government. And of course, si Bernard din, siya rin po yung Division Federated SSLG President. Okay, good afternoon, Bernard.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, so how are you?
Buhay pa rin, ma'am. Yay.
Buhay pa rin. Okay, so kumusta yung SSLG?
So far, we're very productive. Like, 1 month pa lang, ma'am, ket nakadado ti mo bramin, ma'am.
Okay,
And
that's
more.
very
Pero,
good.
yes,
Ano nga ro, dagiti highlights nga naubraan tayo or plan tayo for our action plan? Ano dagiti napintas?
For division, ma'am?
For your school.
For my school. We think for my school, ma'am, ket since the SK elections and ma'am ket papas ay umas asidegen and 2025 ket midterm elections ton ma'am ket adan to voters education nga propose minto ma'am. And aside from that ma'am ket we're going to celebrate digiti na importante nga celebration nga dapat tayo nga maamuan and maselebraran, such as Teachers Month, Mental Health Awareness Month, Women's Month, Pride Month, and many more, ma'am.
Okay, so being SSLG Division Federated President, so ano naman yung mga plano mo to propose?
Actually, ma'am, we've already met with the division members.
Officers,
yes, ma'am. And we've come up so far with 4 na key programs, which is benchmarking, team building in the form of tree planting, leadership training, and if possible, we will have acquaintance nights per school po.
Per school?
Opo.
Okay, so kanya-kanya ni school-based.
Opo.
Okay, which I see.
Kasi isuti kayat digiji most presidents, ma'am, coming from their peers, ma'am, and ma'am.
Okay, so you being one of the participants din sa LearnCon, ano naman ang masasabi mo? Magandang lessons or experience na nangyari sa'yo nung sa LearnCon?
Actually, ma'am, for the SSLG part ng LearnCon po noon is, we were, hindi po kami nag-seminar SSLG nga part, ma'am. It's more on a forum wherein naging moderators and naging nagsao idi ma'am ket digiti outgoing National Federated Supremes Student Government for 2022-2023, ma'am, wherein we were given a platform to raise not only concerns but also digiti na duma-duma nga issues not only here in Region 1 but also the entire Philippines, ma'am. So it was an eye-opening experience which widened our perspectives, ma'am, and it made us all close to each other as presidents, ma'am.
Okay, excluding regarding sa LearnCon, sa lecture, sa forum, how about yung mga personal na mga na-meet mo mga students, ano yung mga na-learn mo sa kanila, na mga attitude, mga behavior, mga iba pang mga, kung ano yung na-experience mo with them?
So, mayat na met the LearnCon, ma'am, is we had the opportunity to meet other people outside of our comfort zones. Like, may naging friend po akong taga Manila, may mga nakakausap na akong mga taga Laguna, taga Mindanao, like friends ko so that FB, ma'am, and we still see each other virtually, ma'am. Though LearnCon helped us build connections with one another. So, sana ko mamamket adan topay kas nga events.
Yes,
Ma'am.
okay. So ano naman yung parang message mo sa mga SSLG presidents, officers ng Division of Lawag bilang president ng division?
So, as the president of Division of Lawag, it is an immense opportunity to say to my fellow presidents na like, when first grading pa lang ket nagdadagsen ti workload tayo, nagdadagsen ti activities tayo, but we committed ourselves to become leaders in the first place kasi we want to make the lives of our batchmates or our schoolmates better than ever. Like, even if it was the best last year, for our year, we want it to be more better, ma'am, hanggang maging
The
bongga
best.
yung ano.
Okay, kayang-kaya nyo yan. Huwag
Yes,
kayong
ma'am.
ma-pressure, anak. Kayaan nyo yung mga subjects nyo ang ma-pressure sa inyo.
Of
And
course.
enjoy.
Yes,
Especially
ma'am.
ikaw, grade 12 na, ano?
Yes, ma'am.
Enjoy your senior high school. Okay, enjoy what you do. And palaging kong sinasabi, pray every day.
Yes, ma'am.
All the time, okay? So, ano naman po yung message natin sa ating mga teachers?
So, for Teachers Month, so theme tayo tatamam get together for teachers, ma'am. So, in behalf of all the students here in Division of Lawag, we are here together for all of you to celebrate the sacrifices, the efforts, and everything that you've taught us, not only as teachers, but also as our friends, our second parents in our second home, which is the school. So, to all of our teachers, sana po kumakit itultuloy yung lata being you, delivering the best lessons, the best principles, and the best morals nga maited yung lata ti estudyantes, ma'am.
Okay, so happy Teachers Month po sa lahat ng mga teacher advisors ng SELG and SSLG. Parang meron kang
Yes,
last
ma'am.
okay.
So, shout out kadigite 5 nga advisors ni Sir Junel Corpus, ni Ma'am Neva Manding, ni Sir Tony Albis, ni Ma'am Jane Merrill Dalde, kay ni Ma'am Amy Ancheta. Ken shout out pa yan kay ni Head Teacher Coordinator mi nga ni Sir Ronel Banjola, and of course our beloved school principal ni Sir Jerry V. Carion.
Okay. And of course, principal din ng Gabo National
Yes,
High
ma'am.
School, si Sir Arnold Sabuco, and SMIS, si Sir Jeremy Arieta. Okay. Parang may special number ka ba?
Hala.
Kahit yung chorus lang, anak. Paparinig sa inyo ni Bernard yung chorus ng naging theme song ng LearnCon.
Hala, Jakamon. Pero tito no naman ket, sama-sama tayo mga kabataan, isigaw na 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 na.
So, yung message niya is,
So, lagit-lagi para sa bayan at para sa kinabukasan ng kabataan, ma'am. So, dapat talaga is gagawin natin ang lahat para sa ating kabataan, para sa bayan at para sa bansang Pilipinas, ma'am.
okay, thank you very much,
Thank you,
Bernard,
ma'am.
and good luck and God bless sa inyong mga students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, kakabsat, dagita-dagiti nararanyag a programa ti SDO Lawag. Of course, with the glowing leadership of Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Joanne A. Corpus, and Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Mr. Arnold S. Banjola, and the committed stakeholders, edukasyong matatag, agranranyag ti syudad ti Lawag. Tinaga ni Miss Cherry Joy Discaya Garma, ti pagayamyo ay mi Guerrero Nicolas, and of course with Mr. Arlo Figuracion and Mr. Goiti Amano. Agyaman kami unay, God bless, and have a glowing weekend, everyone.